What is going on, you filthy, greedy, stingy apes? We've got a few things to talk about today, and we're going to get started without an intro today, so I hope you guys appreciate it. And if you do, make sure to smash that like button because we're about to have a lot of fun and you're going to love it. So Aron finally comes out with the shareholder count, and yet the stock is going down. But everybody on YouTube is telling you that the information is good. It's great. So what's going on? I'm sure there are a lot of questions, a lot of things running through your mind, and I know this because a lot of you are new. A lot of you just jumped into this stock because of all the hype around it, because it was running up. So I'm going to do my best to try to explain to you exactly what's going on. And we're going to start by taking a look at this tweet from Aron. He says, as of June 2nd, AMC had 501,780,240 total outstanding shares. AMC's number of shareholders in the US and abroad has increased to about 4.1 million, and you own more than 80% of AMC. So when he says AMC's number of shareholders, he means total shareholders. That's retail and institutional investors. And US and abroad would mean worldwide, obviously. So 4.1 million is everybody. And when he says, and you, he's talking about retail investors own more than 80% of AMC, while some own more and some own less. The average stock holding for AMC is about 120 shares. So with this information, we can do some basic math, and the math is going to be made based on my assumptions. I know there are other videos out there with people kind of interpreting this information in different ways and giving you different, data based on how they're interpreting it and what they think is going on. I'm going to give you my math behind the assumptions that I'm making. Okay, so we're going to start with this number, 4.1 million. That's both US and abroad meaning worldwide. So the average shares are 120 each, and retail holds around 492 million. So if 492 million is 80%, then the total shares has to be equivalent to 615 million. So if there's 615 million total shares minus the 501 million legit shares, that would equal 114 million synthetic shares. And I think that's on top of the number that are already shorted legitimately. So based on this data that Aron gave us, I for sure can say that there's 114 million synthetic shares out there. You'll see much higher numbers out there if you look at Twitter, other social media platforms, even watch some other YouTube videos. That's simply because some people are choosing to interpret the data differently, or the information that we received from Aron differently than I am. This is how I choose to interpret it. And what all does it mean? Well, this is pretty significant because it means that there's at least 114 million synthetic shares out there, meaning that, we're being nakedly shorted. And when there's naked shorting going on, well, that becomes a problem. But, the share price doesn't reflect that. Why does it not reflect that? Well, there are several theories out there. One of the new ones that you're probably hearing about right now is that there are rumors saying that our orders are being delayed by as much as 10 days. I think the guy that originally started about this on his YouTube channel, his name is Lou. He said about 10 days, and then from there, you'll see that people took it even further to, 10 to 20 days. And there's a rumor going around that the actual stock price of AMC right now is $1,500. So my opinion on that is that I simply cannot verify any of that. I can't even verify that our orders are being delayed by as much as 10 or 20 days. I have no information that actually proves that to be true. However, it would not surprise me. I will be looking more into this, doing a lot more research. If I find that to be true, or whatever I find to be true, I'm going to present it to you guys. Other things that are going on, and believe me, I've been doing a lot of research on AMC in general, all these different lawsuits that are coming out. It's very interesting, to say the least, and there are some big things that are about to happen that I'm going to be very happy to share with you guys, but I need to do a little bit more research on it. But Some of the information that I came across today that I just briefly wanted to share: 38% of all the orders have been going on through dark pools or ATS systems, which is freaking shady as hell for one, but it's also crazy. That's nearly half of all the trading that goes on being done on dark pools. Like, what in the hell kind of crap is that? So I'm currently researching that some more. I'm going to report further on that. And we're also going to need to talk about what's going on with the SEC and whether they're actually, going to take action. Is this just going to be another slap on the wrist? Or is this going to result in things happening that will change the way that these institutions are basically manipulating the retail investor? While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.